Hello everyone, I'm Aradhana, a fourth year law student from Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology. I'm also an intern at ubAdvocate under the guidance of Sir Jeevan Prakash, Advocate, on record, Supreme Court. In this video, I will speak on Amazon Future Group and Reliance dispute. In November 2019, US e-commerce giant Amazon acquired a 49% stake in Future Group Coupons Limited, a promoter group company of Future Retail Limited. The deal was worth about rupees 2,000 crores. There were several key points in the agreement. First is call options. Second is restricted companies clause in agreement. This point in the agreement states a list of 30 companies that are not allowed to invest or buy shares in Future Group's retail assets. Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy and Reliance and many more are included in this list. Despite of this contract, in the month of 2020, Future Group announced an agreement with Reliance Company under which Future Group will sell its wholesale and retail business to Reliance. Through this deal, Reliance acquired Future Group Retail, which owns Big Bazaar, FBB, Food Hall, Easy Day, and Nilgiris, etc. However, Future Group's financial and insurance businesses were not part of this agreement. The main reason for Reliance to invest in Future Group is to expand its offline retail business. Future Group company was forced to sell its business due to loss of revenue in the pandemic because at the time of COVID-19, Future Group had lost sales of rupees 7,000 crores in the first 4 months of the pandemic. Before the deal could be enforced, Amazon approached the Singapore International Arbitration Center in October 2020, filing an emergency arbitration case alleging that Future Group breached their contract. Amazon filed in emergency arbitration against Future Group for forging an alliance with Reliance to sell Future Group's retail, wholesale and logistics businesses without Amazon's consent. On 25th October 2020, the Singapore International Arbitration Center passed an interim order in favor of Amazon and put the deal on hold. After all of this, Future Group then approaches Delhi High Court against Singapore International Arbitration Center order, alleging non-jurisdiction. In 2021, Singapore International Arbitration Center forms an arbitration tribunal to relook at the case while Delhi High Court orders a status quo. After this, Delhi High Court declines Future Group pleas, saying willful violation and lifts the status quo. Reliance also asks for permission from National Company Law Tribunal, Mumbai, to hold meetings of their shareholders and creditors to consider and approve the proposed merger with Future Group's retail. The Supreme Court also upholds the emergency arbitrator award. Meanwhile, NCLT allows Reliance and Future Group to hold shareholders meet for acquisition. Future Group's independent directors then write to CCI asking to revoke Amazon's part of acquisition of Future Group coupons in November 2019. On 9th March 2022, the Supreme Court gave Amazon and Future Group time until 15th March to negotiate an out-of-court settlement, and reports were also coming that Amazon had asked for compensation against its objection to the deal. On 6th April 2022, Supreme Court had lifted the stay on arbitral proceedings before Singapore International Arbitration Center between Future Group Company and Amazon. The bench also announced that Future Retail's limited plea for termination of proceedings before Singapore International Arbitration Center will also be heard on priority. Case is still in the court, and due to these legal problems, the deal between the Future Group and Reliance still not executed, and the Future Group is continuously going in loss. Thank you.